Hello everybody, this is Command Block Kid here, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to summon item frames with custom items on them in Minecraft 1.15 Java Edition. So let's go ahead and get started. First things first, I'm going to open up a command block and we're going to type in /summon Minecraft item frame and then the coordinates to the command. The coordinates are as follows: x-axis marked with a tilde, which is at the command giver's location, and it runs east-west. This one here is the y-axis, and it runs up-down. In this case, it's directly one block above the command block's location. And then we have ourselves the third coordinate, which is the z-axis, and it runs north-south. Now that we got that set, we're going to go ahead and talk about the facing and item rotation. We're going to start with the first one. So facing can go up to 6 different numbers, going with 0 all the way up to 5. Now, why is 0 one of those numbers? Why can't we just have 6? Well, you certainly could do 6, and it would actually work. Computers always start at 0. And 0 would be having the item frame facing down. The number 1 would be facing up. 2 would be facing north. 3 south. 4 west, and 5 east. Just like so. Feel free to experiment with that if you still aren't sure. Next we have item rotation, and we have the similar scenario. If we set it to 0, it goes when the item is summoned inside the item frame, it's going to appear as if it was in its default position in an inventory. So if it were like a pickaxe or a sword, it would be pointing to the top right-hand corner. If we set it to 6, it would be pointing to the top left-hand corner. And there are 8 rotations. And if you experiment with an item frame and rotating it, you'll see all those rotations and whatnot. Basically, 7 is the highest you can go. You could probably go higher, although feel free to experiment with higher numbers. But 0 just basically goes to the default position all the way up to the 7, where it's basically the top of a pickaxe or something is pointing up to the top of the item frame. We're going to keep it at 6 for now. Now that we got that clear, let's talk about the item. In this case, we got ourselves some curly brackets and the ID, and then in quotation marks, Minecraft Iron Sword. Now you can basically put any item within this part right here, where the iron sword is. You could put in like a diamond, an emerald, an iron pickaxe with sharpness 20, etc. It's going to get complicated if you try to put in enchantments or other stuff. If you need help with any of that, just make sure to comment down in the comment section, and I'll do my best to help you. And then finally, we have ourselves the count. And in this case, we want to leave it to 1b, because if you set it to like any number other than 1b, it can be pretty tricky. Don't set it to 0b, whatever you do, because then the item might not spawn. Anyways, now we got that all cleared. So what we're going to do is we're going to press the button, and look at that. We have ourselves an iron sword rotated just like that. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know in the comments section. And yeah, that's basically the end of this video here. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. And other than that, I wish you a great rest of your day. Bye!